So this is my project and it's called Before I Died. It's a bucket list app where you can create a bucket list, add dreams to the list, add details to your dream, and then create memories associated to your completed dream. So I'm just going to sign in. You can create an account if you don't have one. We all know the drill by now. And actually, I do have validators. So if something's wrong, it will let you know. Log in and it shows you your homepage where you can create lists. You can create a list and edit it right away if you want to. I don't know, add a smiley face or something. It edits, add new dreams to the list as much as you want. It will add dreams. You can change them to be completed or not. And that actually persists. If you come back, the dreams are completed still. If you log out and log in, these I have completed before. So yeah, they are there. You can edit the dreams as well. You can delete the list. I also added these little things that when you like mouse over, it lets you know like what things are because there's so many buttons. So are you sure you want to delete this list? Delete. And then you can email the list to yourself. So when you sign up, it actually asks you for an email. And I will do this now. And my email takes a minute for it to work. So I'll check back later in my email and show you guys. So any dreams, you can also add details to them. So for example, if you want to go to New York and you want to add things to your like itinerary that you want to do in New York, you can add it, like see the Empire State Building. In Italy, you can eat all the pizza and pasta and whatever else you want to do. You want to take a road trip, you could do whatever. So you can add any kind of information that you want. And then once something is completed, you can create a memory from it. So here on top, it'll tell you how many dreams you have achieved that you can create memories for. You can add 3 pictures to it and a title to the memory. It'll tell you which dream it's associated with. You can give it a rating and some kind of notes. You can edit the memories as well, change it to, I don't know, like 1 star. And it changes it. Well, I guess 1 heart instead of 1 star. You can create memories. And what's cool about this, so if you don't want to put in images, I have like a placeholder option. So you submit, it scrolls down for you so you can go and find, so this was the dream I just created called test. And it automatically has like these placeholder images in there. So if you decide you don't want to do like images right away, you can always come back later. But if you decide you want to add an image, you can just edit and, change the URL, submit, and it'll do the new image that you want. So that's that. You could also delete your things as well. I have the "are you sure you want to delete" thing, and it reroutes you back here to your landing page so you can go and complete more things off of your bucket lists. I also have this profile thing where you can look at your profile. It has an image. This is also, there's an option like when you sign up, it doesn't ask for your image, it doesn't ask for a bio, it only asks for like the username and email. And it gives you a placeholder image as well, because I just didn't want my sign up to be 5 bazillion things long, because it's not really important to the app. This is just for yourself. So if you want to edit something, you can, it edits. And you can also upload a new image for yourself. So if you decide to change your profile image, you could upload it. You upload image, it tells you images upload, please refresh page, you refresh the page and you can see your new image. It also passes up here to your little user information up here. You could also delete your account, which I don't want to do with this one because this is the one where I show everything, but I will show you on like when you sign up. So we could do like Zoe, that's my dog's name. And then we'll do Oops, sorry. It does the like the placeholder image, which is actually just like a URL that changes with every re-render. It's a thing called lorem pixum, like lorem ipsum, but for pictures. Pretty cool. And then if it has all the stuff, so as a new user, you sign up, you don't see anybody else's information because it should be personal to each person. And then you can just delete the account. Again, it has, are you sure you want to delete your account? This cannot be undone. You click yes, and it brings you back out to the home page login. So that is that. And then for my code, so some things I want to show. For the completed dreams, I had to use this like little handy dandy scope thing that is in my dream model that will only, it makes sure that when I go into my memories view, it only shows the completed dreams, and I can only like add memories to the completed dreams. So you have to add like a scope, and then I made like a special GET request to that in my routes. And then a big struggle that I had in all of my data in this whole app actually is that my data is super nested. So I have a user that has lists, that has dreams, that has details. So anytime you want to do any tiny little edit or update or like delete, you have to map over things a bazillion times. So I have to do something like on edit dream. So like for editing dreams, you have to map, and then you map again, and then you map again, and then you like compare things. Is super, doing something super simple like updating gets very complicated very quickly. And then I was actually very proud of the mailing. I forgot to show you guys the email. So if you go here, this is my email. You get an email like this. It has all the things on my bucket list. It has the name. It has, if you do this, see all list, it takes you to the deployed app, which the email function actually doesn't work on the deployed app just yet. I need to fix my credentialing, but it has that. So you can see all of these things. And then the mailer was fun to do. The cool thing, like I guess the hard thing about the mailer is you actually have to like HTML write out what the email looks like. So I had to do all of this, which I actually just used like a HTML generator. So I didn't have to do this from scratch, but yeah, you actually have to do like all the stuff, like write out HTML for an email. And I used Cloudinary for the upload of the images as well.